morning. Welcome to my wardrobe. My name is Heidi Gammill. I am the author of the Nest Pretty Lifestyle Guide. It's all about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. I believe that every woman deserves to love herself, her home, and her wardrobe. So today I am in my wardrobe to hopefully inspire you. So I've been talking a lot about self-care, self-love, and here is a thought. Is your closet, is your wardrobe reflecting to you your self-care, your self-love, the value that you have for yourself? This is a place where we start our day. We have to get dressed. You might as well enjoy it. So what is your closet reflecting to you? Ask yourself that. Do you open the door and do you hear all kinds of mental chatter? I haven't worn you in 2 years. I haven't worn you in 2 years. I don't even know if you fit still. Or do you open it and take a nice breath of fresh air and just get dressed with ease? That's my question for you. Now, I started implementing a 10-piece wardrobe pretty much almost a year ago. And I'm just here to tell you that that had been in the back of my mind for several years. And it took a little bit of courage for me to take the step to do it. Once I did, however, oh my goodness, the level of joy that I get from getting dressed in the morning just blew up. So, have you been thinking about it? Are you intrigued? Of course, there's so many levels of a 10-piece wardrobe. You don't have to go all the way immediately. But just having a wardrobe, a closet that is free of angst, no mental chatter, no running stories, no decision fatigue. All of those things are priceless. And I'm just here to tell you that you're worth it. So, that's what it's all about, people. One thing is, if you haven't been getting dressed because you're in a certain stage of lockdown for the past couple of years, I'm just here to encourage you to get dressed for yourself. You're gonna feel so much better. You're gonna feel like, hey, this is my life. Let me continue living it. And you know what? Your family will appreciate you getting dressed. Put some jewelry on. I have a couple of friends who they said, you know what? We're wearing all of our bling every day. And it has added to their joy. It has added to their expectation of getting up and putting on their favorite things. And again, I believe you're worth it. So get dressed, put on your bling, wear your fantastic jewelry, put some makeup on, and have a great day. That's my message for you. Now, I have a 14-day self-love challenge going on. The link is in the bio, so grab that if you want some more inspiration. Also, in my Facebook group, I'm doing a little challenge, also a five-day self-care challenge. Join the Facebook group, and I'm sharing just a few little tips that I don't talk about anywhere else. So this is Heidi with Nest Pretty. Thank you for joining me. I highly, highly encourage you to consider, what is your closet saying to you? Is it saying, girl, I love you? Or is it saying, hey, don't forget about me? And I highly recommend bringing your wardrobe back to start once a week, so that getting dressed is a joy. And I'm just I can just talk all day about the lack of mental chatter that goes on when you have a wardrobe that reflects you, your style, and you love everything in your closet. It's just fantastic. So I hope you have a fantastic day. There's a lot to consider. There's a lot to unpack here, but you can do it, girl. If you want help, raise your hand. Let's talk about it. There's no going back for me. It's 10-piece wardrobe every season, all day long. It's so fantastic. My closet's clean. I'm done here. Have a great day.